Excuse me. Broadway. Broadway. Excuse me. This is Creator.
What?
Creatorweek.
What?
Creatorweek.
This is for the IS memory of the casino. Yeah, you wanna join it?
No, the Creator.
You mean the memory? The memory.
I'm here in Galaxy Hotel. So event we will event in Broadway Ballroom. So we will see. So it's so big place actually, guys. So as you can see. Going up, said Alexander McQueen. Not sure. We'll see if this is exactly place. So Galaxy, but no. Galaxy. Some of them. Excuse me. Where's the Broadway? Straight there. Okay, okay, thank you. I hope this is right way. St. Laurent YSL. Hopefully this is Broadway. Ah, this one. Okay, I got it. I got your Broadway. Yes, this is. I'm in the right way. Broadway. See. Creator that way, Broadway Macau. You see this Broadway Theater, Broadway Theater. First, this is a Creator. My God, it's so big. How I know if this is this one? Galaxy Broadway Food Street. That one. Food Street. Where's the Food Street? Street. Street. Excuse me, where's the Creator Food Street? The Creator? The event? Hey! Hello! I hope this is... I hope this way. We'll see. Kasi, no. Food Street. Food Street. Where's the Food Street? Magulay. This one. Food Street. This is a Food Street. I'm not sure if this is it. This one. Yeah. I'm here. Yes, finally. Hey, Peter. I'm here.
Hello, I'm Shy.你们吃饱了没有？哎。 This is my new song， 这是我最新的一首歌，第一次唱，So yeah。 song， 这是我最后的一首歌。Everybody go！
Under the there's an hospital.
I love you。我爱你。
So, it's day one, so yeah. You can't start and finish one, right? You've got to start and start. Yeah, definitely it was a fun thing. And the party went really well the other night. One thing I'm
根本就没有往这边看。
It's free singing live. Need to eat. Need to find some food. This is the Broadway food street. As you can see. Just wait. I'm hungry. I need to find food. I need to find food first. And then I'll be back. I'll be back if I just want to find food. I don't know what kind of food I will buy. Or drinks first. Can see, we'll see what kind of food. Oh, noodles. Good. This is a street food. Food street, Broadway. So there's no drinks. Like milk tea, no. Check first. As you can see, all we group or by friends. Because all my kids, we have a work, so yeah, I think tomorrow we'll see. But I need to find food first. I'm hungry. No, I want only this. We don't have. I think I will check the other side. This is Broadway. Let me see. Broadway kitchen. No. This one. I think we'll see. We'll check what we have. Mostly this is bubble milkshake, brown sugar. Only ice cream. We don't have a mango pomelo.
Milk ice cream and the mango ice cream.
Only. Even this one brown sugar, we don't have. The brown sugar bubble milk shake. Have? But added one. We don't have? No? Only this?
Yeah, these.
Okay, this. How about this? This? No drink. But this one drink, right?
But this one ice cream.
This brown sugar bubble milkshake.
Ice cream made.
This is ice cream
Yeah,
milkshake.
yeah. Ice cream
Ah,
milkshake.
okay. But there's no drinks. Okay, ice cream. It's ice cream. Select milkshake. Oh. How about this big, pinky big drink? No? This pinky big drink, we don't have also. This one, the new one?
No.
No. How about this one, ice cream also? We don't have?
Tomorrow have.
Oh, by now, none. Ice cream, okay. I try this one. Yeah. Okay. I'll choose that one. Some kind of food or drink. What is this? Mango pomelo soda. It's a cookies. It's bubble. 開嘅。
一个小时啊，一个小时要等一个小时。
唔識聽啊，English。
对，一个小时。
冇冇我熟嘅冇啊。How are you? Great. Don't have. Molly, ha? I will take it.
一个小时。
Okay, no problem. 哦，
那你要有多久？
呢個幾錢啊？
这个一个小时哈，OK。这个。
好。
Hello，我散場翻嚟啦。
No drinks. No drinks. Hey, thank you for dropping by. I don't know why no drinks. Có 冇？啊，呢個沒有。呢個有，呢個有，有啊，
凍嘅檸檬茶，
係啊，
打包啊，
係啊，係啊，一個，對啊，
凍檸檬茶行街。
食一個朱古力糕，椰汁糕俾阿姨啊！
Hey! Hi, Icy! Second like, Maria Rosario. Thank you, sis Icy. I'm here in Creatorweek event here in Macau. Thank you, sis. Hindi ka live, sis Ice? This is a Broadway food court. Thank you. Just wanted to say hi muna, hindi nakatambay na. Naka-live ka? It's okay, sis. But share and like muna before I head off time. Okay. Nap, wala akong live today. Okay. Thank you, sis Ice. I'll go to the Londoners. Yun, doon merong event. So, we'll see. Maga pa naman, alas 8. Antayin ko lang yung order ko, tapos punta ako ng London. Wala akong live. Okay. I have an order. Try tomato. Wala pang yaw? Ngayon, ya? Going there. I'll show you sis live van.
here, rap on the pineapple first.
I am a good girl, from Kansas. I am a bad girl, Jenny Double. I am a good girl, mama check out Tom. I am a bad girl. I've been lit since I was a baby, yeah, my mama, papa, proud of me. Acting like a big fool, broken silence, they all want a shot. Got to sting with a lot of ease. It's a lot of read. Never seen the sound that I hop on a beach, you don't mind a try. Be like me, I do the most what you people do. I do everything what you people do. Every week I do bad like what it do. And I gotta get you one like it. I'm so dirty, I'm a niche shampoo. She be like a lady with a sweet taboo. Sticking my ex in shower home shoes. And let me, deja vu. Like, damn, what would you understand? If you keep on hating, you get nothing out of sin. Don't tell me what to do. I don't do this for you. I do this for my family and trying to torch. I've been eating good, things all I consume. My car already powered down, vroom. Hate to see me win. I be like nationality. They're trying to act up, but they trying to let mommy. I am a good girl, from Texas. I am a bad girl, Jenny Double. I am a good girl, mama check out Tom. I am a bad girl, so I'm I am a good girl. I am a bad girl. I am a good girl. I am a bad girl.
Macau, you ready to have a good time? Okay. Now I want y'all to sing this song with me. It's very easy.
Yeah, we so damn big, gasolina. Yeah, we spinning it up, gasolina. And we do it like and we go like yeah, we so damn big, gasolina. Yeah, we spinning it up, gasolina. Yeah, we do it like and we go like damn, they go crazy like I. Anyway, you fuck with me, baby, boy, bye-bye. That is still right here, about to get tangled. When I blow up, they gon' blow. I like you. Yeah, like it, but I don't need that. I'm on my way, and if you still if you love me, I'm gonna say I'm in love with my money. Gotta see something, I cannot really see. It's just on it, run the man. So damn big, gasolina. Spinning it up, gasolina. And we do it like so damn big, gasolina. Spinning it up, gasolina.
Don't be shy. Thank you so much, everybody. Special shout out for the girlies over here. They're like, but very shy. Thank you, thank you. Ni hao, Macau. Ni hao ma. 我叫蓝脸女孩，来自印尼。对不起，我的中文很差。但是现在我叫我美美。Please welcome in the house。
大家好，我是一达。萌萌们，你们准备好了吗？我们一起唱，一起跳舞。Let's have a party together. Are you ready?
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the world famous JEDDAH Cruise and BEAUC.
Toes need a shade, that's what I'm coaching. Travel need a student, let me be a soldier. started yet. Make you high, feel my sky. I could guarantee love is beyond me. It's all about you. The sun is brighter than the sun. Just shine me. Big brother, I'ma pick you up by the collar. Feel the memories, but the breeze, but you got a back. You got me on the fucks, better back it up. You got my eyes on the prize, better back it up. Got a hips, got a lips, come and get it, take it on me. That's strong, gonna give me a holler. You can think of the other one, but it's your home, picky lover. I can make you high, feel my sky. I can guarantee. Everybody, listen to it now, okay? We're gonna jump together. Are you ready? On count of me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and let's go. Okay, let's go. It's all about you. Yeah, it's you. This is where you guys. Hello, Macau. There's also my song called Calma. Everybody, this is way up. like me in the streets. Won't you tell me you see that? Nobody like me, versus head like me. Kaloy, kawaii, boys that look good on me. Labels wanna sound me, I just say how much money. The way they tryna copy me and put it on somebody. They know I'm a candid. The way I'm missing that my I'm a lazy. You know I'm gonna make it big. Bitches only wanna comment, so you bitches base and support. Like me in the streets. Won't you tell me you see that? Like me in the streets. Won't you tell me you see that? Like me in the streets. Won't you tell me you see that? Like me in the streets. Won't you tell me you see that?
And of course, what you want to say?
稍等一下，姐姐啊，等一下，听我啊，宝宝们。I'm coming to your dream like a kid, making love like a thunder. Strike up, stay thunder. Every time I sweat, I'm coming down. Why is everybody falling in love with me? It could be my eyes, no sleep, so the smell that I breathe. Why is money always keep running on me? It could be my brain energy. It's just kissing me. Why I always just a glow when I enter the room? Me how baby, I'm the headline, the fuse, and got the boom. And we fall like a river and the stuff they give me down. I can tap on the people smack it like
me in the streets. Tell me if you see that. Like me in the streets. Tell me if you see that. Like me in the streets. Won't you tell me if you see that? Like me in the streets. Won't you tell me if you see that? Born celebrated till the dawn. And you hear me what's alarm. You hear me what's alarm. Already lit when I'm born. Celebrated till the dawn. If you hear me what's alarm. If you hear me what's alarm. Bye.
谢谢宝宝们。
Okay, now this is our last song. Is there any Indonesian here? Ada orang Indo? Okay. Ini lagunya tentang gak mau kawin. Kalau belum pingin. Udah pingin belum? Belum? Okay.
Gue gak mau kawin, gue gak mau kawin, gue gak mau kawin kalau emang belum pingin. Gue gak mau kawin, gue gak mau kawin kalau emang belum pingin. Okay. Gue gak mau kawin, gue gak mau kawin, gue gak mau kawin kalau emang belum pingin.
Orang Indo mana suaranya? Okay. Let's go.
Let's jump together, okay? Feel the fun.
Yo, gue agak heran sama pikiran orang. Kadang omongan mereka bikin gue berat. Umur 21, nanya kawin mulu. Mana resepsinya? Ya elah tunggu dulu. Udah punya pacar kok gak pernah ditunjukin. Lakinya yang mana tuh tante udah tungguin. Gue disamperin kayak gitu ya ngeselin. Udah tua kok yang kayak gini diurusin. Gue gak mau kawin, gue gak mau kawin, gue gak mau kawin. Kalau emang belum gue gak mau kawin, gue gak mau kawin, gue gak mau kawin kalau emang belum pingin. YOGS Yoks Gak mau kawin karena udah kawin lama. Lo gak kawin karena beda agama. Lo gak kawin karena ganda lo sama. Lo gak kawin karena foto gak suka. Bebas-bebas saja hidup tanpa ratu raja. Mau lebih atau pilih cuma satu saja. Lalu sokap bisa kasih gue perintah. Gak mau kawin gue maunya itu nikah.
Okay, come on. Now everybody, after the drum, I want y'all to jump, okay? So we got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Sisi, okay. Sisi, bye-bye.
One more time for Ramen Girl in the host. Amazing performance. Guys, this is an amazing party we're having here in Macau for the Creator Week Live. It doesn't end here today. We are back tomorrow. We have 10 music performances tomorrow. Right back here at the Galaxy Macau, Broadway, Food Street. 10 shows tomorrow from 4 to 10, so come back, tell a friend. The party continues this weekend here in Macau. We have one more performance tonight. 我哋有最後一個音樂演出. I don't know if you can guess who it might be, but it's a K-pop band. They're going to be coming up soon on the stage, so don't go far away. Stay close. The bar is close. If you need to get a drink, just nip over there and come back. Stay close. We have our K-pop band coming very, very soon with a special. Stay tuned.
waiting for the next guest. We will be performing. Singing. My food. I need to get my food first. I'm hungry na. I need to get my food. I'm hungry. I need to get my food. This is a famous waffle here in Macau. There's so many flavors, as you can see. Ito? Hola. Finish. Oh. Thank you. Famous. Can I sit here? Ito? Okay. It's a famous waffle here in Macau. I order taro. Sorry guys, I cannot speak because I'm hungry. I'm eating the famous waffle here in Macau. I just finishing my drinks and then I'll come back from the live van. Thank you, 3 million people people in the house. Thank you so much, guys. No, it doesn't show you my face. I will put it back. I will put down my phone. Who's in the chat? Okay, because still I'm charging, so my phone is low bat, so that's why I stay here because my phone is low bat. I'm just waiting for my phone to at least 50, but still 20. I'll take a video and then you can see. It's almost 10. Sakit 10 ako. So, come in, I will show you last. I think it's almost done. So I will check if still there is or if there's some again to see. I don't know. We'll check. We'll see.
걔네들 여기 나온 거.
I think it's almost done.
你要不要坐小凳子？在那里小凳子那边。
Still waiting for another performance. This is the entrance. I guess we're running out. So that's why we have some security in place to save the guests. It's not safe. Sitting is not allowed actually, as you can see. So no sitting in the floor. So very strict. Waiting for the next performance. Still not yet. Still waiting. Waiting for the next perform. At 10 o'clock, if the still not yet coming, I'll go. I need to take a rest because later I'll also live, but almost late today. I'll start my live around 3 a.m. So we need to take a rest first. So if 10 o'clock still not yet coming, I'll go. So as you can see, I will show you guys. There's a lot of here, as you can see, so many people. So we have food. If you want to drink, we have a place from here. So we have a table. So you can see. Also here we have some. We are still waiting for the next performance, so we will go around first. So this is also drinking side. We have a live band, so as you can see. this is the Qingdao also. From the Facebook, the Qingdao, the Roadhouse Macau. There is also chill barbecue. This is the one. Also, we have somebody also perform this the Roadhouse Macau. This is the Qingdao. You bite. So if you want to drink pika from here, we have also, see, as you can see, coming, I think coming already the next perform. Still waiting, still not yet. If you want to come here in Macau, so also we have this like this. This is cafe. This is cafe. This is also, we have a branch from San Malo and Gonay. We have also here. Still waiting. Let me open already the light. I think somebody coming again now for the next performance. I think, I'm not sure. So many creators here on this event. Actually, most of them. So at least I try to join here this event. It's almost 10. No, it's almost. We have 3 minutes and then stopping, so I need to go. Take a rest later. Creatorweek until 28 this event. 24 start, 24, 25, 67. Oh my gulay. From the Qingdao. From the other side, we have an event also, live band also there is. So I think here we don't have, so we need to leave now. Yes. Tomorrow is Sunday, we have again so many performs. So we'll see. That is the performance schedule for tomorrow. 25, 26, today 25, tomorrow 26. So 24 days event, Creatorweek from Macau, October 28, 24 start until 28. So that is all the sponsor. Organize, supporting partner this event. Here in Broadway, Food Street, Broadway. So I'll come tomorrow again for the next performance. So, not from now. I don't know if there is. Still waiting, but we don't have, so yeah, I think we need to leave now. I have later Broadway Theater. I will tell to my kids to come here, experience this, you know, drinking. It's almost done, so we need to go now. It's the same. As you can see this, almost. I need to go. I'm so tired, actually. Today I have a work. I just try to experience this event, so that's why even I'm so tired, I try. Oh, look at Galaxy. Oh, here also. Galaxy Macau. That's this one. I need to clear. Where's the comfort room? I'm not sure. Ah, yeah, this one. Comfort room. Okay, I need to close first. Hide. Because it's closed. It's closed. Saan yung another pang comfort room?
Ito po, straight.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Need to close first. Okay, guys. See you later. Excuse me. Where's the shuttle bus?
What is what?
Macau.
Macau.
Shuttle bus? You don't have? Where's the Macau? Yeah, any Macau. Any. It's MOA, MJ, any.
Already plus 10.
10?
Macau, yeah.
No,
Another, this one is this one border gate.
it's okay. Yeah,
Border gate.
yeah, it's okay.
Border is diamond of it.
Diamond?
Yeah, diamond of it.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Long Chan. Diamond Lobby. Ang going to Diamond. Hi, Kim. Hi, Kim. How are you, Kim? Kamusta, Maria? I'm good. Feeling good. You want to see my outfit, Kim? I'm sexy today. You know? OTV. Mabuti ikaw. I'm good. Diamond Love. You want to see my outfit for today, Kim? I know. I know you like it. That's why. Wow, meron dahil. And don't have a date today. I attend the Creatorweek here in Macau. So I don't have a date. You want to see my OTD for today? I know you will be admire again if you can see me, my OTD. You see now? I know. That's why. I'm here in Galaxy Hotel. Yes. Where's Diamond Lobby? I'm going to the Diamond Lobby. Straight ahead. Still. Going to Diamond Lobby. Where's the Diamond Lobby? Straight ahead, still straight ahead. Straight ahead. Is that a Victoria's Secret? I'm not sure where. Where do you ask? I'm not sure. This is Diamond. Diamond Levy. I'll show you. It's so nice. Yeah, we have here also Victoria's Secret. So see, what a beautiful view. Amazing mall in UK. Arabs. Look amazing. Yes, at that side, it's casino. As you can see, the Galaxy, that is casino. But the phone is not allowed, camera is not allowed. So, you're taking the picture or just only here. How are you today, Kim? Horace, so tall. Hello. Horace. You see? He's so tall. He's so heavy. This is the shuttle bus. Galaxy. Macau. 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 Mau ali ko?
Mau ali ko Macau. Không chơi là.
Mau. Wow.
Sập đến à. Macau sập.
Wow. Ini. Ini kok. Where are we going? Please.
Border gate.
Boarding gate? Yeah. Looks like, yes, Kim, this is a little Las Vegas Asian. Yes, that is right, Kim. You're right. This is the last trip, the shuttle bus. Last trip of shuttle bus. Boarding gate. so a beautiful place. If you want to come here to tourist, yes, you can go here. You just booking your ticket and go booking your hotel. So yes, this is the Asian, a little Las Vegas. What? Wait, what do you say, Kim? How much? Looks like Las Vegas. Yes, this is. Here is. Yes, the Asian Las Vegas. You know? How many autograph you signed today? I'm not sure, Kim. I'm so busy. Really? Guys, don't forget to hit the like, please. Like and share if you want this. This is a shuttle bus. It's free. What? I cannot trade. Wait, Kim. I cannot trade you. Just wait. What did you say? You have a good eye for fashion, diva. Of course. The road's so quiet there. Yes, it's so very quiet, as you can see. It's almost late, so yeah. It's very convenient and very no hassle if you using this kind of shuttle bus instead transportation bus, because mostly if you don't know the place where you're going or you what using ride bus, it's better to use this shuttle bus. No hassle, no bus stop. Very quick. Yes, Kim, you're right. work today, Kim? Kim, are you still there, Kim? I said you don't have a work today. Did you hear me? About taking a treat, just wait. What did you say, Kim? You don't have a work today, I said. I'm asking you. It's malambig, diba? Yes. Clock, go back. Ah, yes, because in winter in your place, right? 1 hour. Before 7 hours, but now it's almost 8 hours, right? Walang work today. Oh, ah, yes, Saturday. You join later, Chikima. If you want to join later, I'll do like almost late. It's around 3 a.m. Yeah, I need to take a rest first and then make it alive again later. Oh, we have accident. Did you see that? Accident. The motor and the car. Will you be what? Will be in your outfit, tennis outfit. I don't know why. Did you like that my outfit last time? I know you like it. That's why. That's why you asking me. Not sure. This is going to go 7-1. To know. Why? Why you want to know? I mean, why you want that my outfit last time? Why? It's a tennis outfit. No, for the sport. Sport outfit here. Going to Macau, boarding week. You see that, Kim? It's so beautiful. It's so amazing. What are you doing right now, Kim? What time, by the way, what time is it now in UK? Is Macau same size? No. Hong Kong is more than bigger than here in Macau. This Macau is just only small, country. Not like Hong Kong. Hong Kong is wow. There's a lot of really 4 p.m. Nearly 4 p.m. Ah, okay. Here it's almost wait, I'll check. 10:46 p.m. You know, if you don't know the place in Hong Kong, really you will be wrong. Or if you don't know the place where you're going, you will Here in Macau. Macau is so easy, so quick, and then you just ride the bus. You know, it's so cheaper, not like in Hong Kong. Hong Kong very, very expensive. Hong Kong, there's a lot of side. We have our Hong Kong side, we have a province side, we have a Hong Kong city. It's so big, bigger than Hong Kong than here in Macau. Macau is so very small. In 1 hour, I know, in one day, you can tour, you can go anywhere, Taipa side, Macau side. So really, my tour guide in Macau. Okay, it's okay. As long you feed me my lunch, my breakfast, my lunch, my dinner. It's okay. I will tour you. I guide you here. Usually, just tell me when you will come here, and then I will arrange my schedule. Because you know I have a work. We can play tennis, diba? No, badminton. Badminton game, if you want. See? That is a sun hotel. Up to you. I will guide you. I'm your tour guide here. Just tell me when you will come here, okay? That side is fisherman. I will show you, I will show you. Just tell me when you will come. I will tour you. Just you treat me breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and also my transportation. It's okay, you know what, Kim? The transportation here, the bus, is so cheaper, not like in Hong Kong. Hong Kong really is so very expensive. Now here in already in Macau side. You make me breakfast, diba? No, you need to try breakfast food here in Macau. That is the transportation bus. You know, normally I am going to Taipa. And going to I'm not sure where I'm going. I think this is going to boarding gate. Boarding gate. Portas. Yes, Portas going boarding gate. So I need to use by bus going to my place. Bakit hindi ikaw bad cook? Bakit? No. I'm a good cooker. You know? What do you want? Omelette? What do you want? Bacon? Longganisa? Tell me what you want. Boarding gate? I thought it... Oh my God. But it's okay. It's nearly in my place also this boarding. Now it's better. Kim, signal it's better. This is the boarding gate. Okay, my signal is still good. If you want to go to China, it's a boarding gate. So, shuttle bus, and then all people going to China. So, as you can see, this is the boarding gate. Calma, how's my signal now? Kim. Yan. I'm here already in Macau side. So as you can see, boarding gate going to China. Why so many waiting? So many smoking area. That's why, as you can, wow, so many smoke. Old people, so smelly. Smoking area that side. How's my signal now, Kim? This is boarding gate going to China. So I go boarding gate and then taxi to your place. No, we have a bus here. You don't need to use by taxi. It's so very near my place. Here we have a bus, you know. Why you need to use taxi? We have a bus. So many people, as you can see, working here in Macau, and then we're going back to China. And then, so quick, just on the bus, you know. As you can see, there's a lot of people. People working here in Macau will going back to China. And China, some people here in Macau going to China. There's some You know? You see, there's a lot. Every day like that. 60% people working here in Macau mostly come from China. But it's China border. Hi, Captain Billy Jack. Good to see you here. You live in the nice, nice city, diba? Yes. Have you been? I've been Creator Week, meet and greet Creator Week from Taipa. How are you today? And then, hi Maria. Hello Captain Billy Jack. Mega love shout out. How's you going, Captain Billy Jack? Nice, diba? Yes. How have you been? I'm good, Captain Billy Jack. Hello, Kim. Come from Billy. You see, all this store, people coming from China, buying from this, you know, all of the items, and then cheaper. It's very cheaper here in Macau, and then people will bring in China. As you can see, we have a transportation bus. How's my signal, guys? Sorry. Yeah. Connection is because it's working late. Usually like that. Yes. Hey, Captain, coming from Kim. Created a breath in the CR toilet. How are you today, Billy? It's been long time. This one. Just wait, guys. Been very busy last month and month. When you were going to Philippines, Billy? When you were going to Philippines, Billy? Is that the COVID market? No. Kim. That is not. When you were going to Philippines, Billy? Wow, you're so busy, ah. Wait, I cannot read, Billy. Just wait. I bought my ticket already for the end of January. I hope you will come here, please. And very busy last month. Since over 30 days there yesterday morning. I'm just waiting on a certain here first. Oh, so hot. I hope you will come in Hong Kong. Really? You have already ticket? Maria. Maria, there is nothing there for tonight. We can meet up one day. Yeah, you will see in Philippines, really. There is nothing there. Oh, okay. As you want. Only place I will go is Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, and Indonesia. I have no urgent to go else where to waste my money. Yeah, that's right, really. Be practical. Yeah, but yes, I'm going to Philippines by November, second week of November with my family. Because my daughter, the brother-in-law wedding. Maybe Laos, I'm not sure too. Oh, with your girlfriend, really? You see, I told you, Kim, very fast. You don't need to use a taxi, you know. It's still too early, so we have still bus. You can use by bus. Bus in Borzi or that. There's something I'm not sure. I'm not good. I need to drink water. I'm complicated that inside the bus can from Paipa to Border. So I need to drink. I need to buy water. I'll be in Southeast Asia for 5 months, traveling around. That's good. Enjoy your life, you know. Really, that is the best thing you can do. Enjoy life. How's your father, really? run, got some stuff to do here. Plus, I will hunt this evening. Oh, with who? You will hunt by deer? Mark and Bat? I mean, together with your friend. I'm here already in my place and okay, Billy, enjoy your day. Have a nice day. Happy weekend. And I hope you can hunting so many deer. Okay, Billy? Regards to your friends. Who's that? What is name? Billy? Your name in Filipina with... I forgot. What's his name? I'm hungry now. I have still bread actually, guys. But the one I bought. What is name your friend, Billy? I'm here already in my place. Bye everyone. See you later. Good night and thank you to stay in my life today. I hope you enjoy and you amazed to the place. So bye everyone. God bless and see you later. I will start my another live later around 3 a.m. Take care, Q. Are you still there? I thought you were gone already. You never typed, so that's why I thought you were gone. Okay guys, see you later. I hope you will join later here, okay? Bye! God bless everyone. I need to... Siyempre, wow! Okay, thank you, Peter. Thank you, 7 Ways. Thank you, Billy. Of course, Kim. Who else? I'm not sure. Who else come? Bye, everyone. God bless. I hope you enjoyed this live for today. Bye. Thank you. Thank you, Kim. What is your dinner for lunch? Siyempre, take care. Bye, Billy. Take care. See you later. Bye, guys.